Salam, benim adım Sevdadır. My name is Sevda, and today we're learning how to say 30 places in Azerbaijani language, plus how to use them with prepositions in, at, and from. Except there are no prepositions in Azerbaijani language, but I will teach you how to do it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I'd like to thank everyone who has subscribed so far. Our channel is growing, our little community is growing, yay! And I have an Instagram page, Learn Azerbaijani with Sevda, and I'm going to try and develop that page, so please find me on Instagram and follow me. Let's start with the places where you can shop. Dükkan, dükkan, shop, store. Bazar, bazar, farmers market. Ticaret merkezi, ticaret merkezi. Or nowadays we also say mall, mall. Supermarket, supermarket. Ayakkabı dükkanı, ayakkabı dükkanı. Shoe store. Giyim dükkanı, giyim dükkanı. Clothing store. Here are some places around the town. Cafe, cafe. Restoran, restoran. Çaykhana, çaykhana. These are very popular here. We like to drink tea. Mektep, mektep, school. And this will be only primary through high school. We don't call universities mektep. Universitet, universitet, university. Institute, institute, institute. These two, institute and universitet, are the higher education. And then we also have something that we call kurs, kurs. These will be like little schools where you can go learn a foreign language or how to use a computer or do accounting, something along those lines. Park, park. Küçe, küçe, street. Prospect, prospect, avenue. Şehir, şehir. We also use şehir as city center or downtown. So if you say "Men şehre giderim," that means I'm going downtown. The actual word for center is merkez, 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 center. Kent, kent, village. Rayon, rayon, region. Meşe, meşe, forest. Göl, göl, lake. Çay, çay, river. So actually the word çay has two meanings, tea and river. Çimerlik, çimerlik, beach. Deniz, deniz, sea. Xəzər dənizi, Xəzər dənizi, Caspian Sea. Ev, ev. And if you're talking specifically that you're living in a house versus an apartment, then people usually say həyət evi, həyət evi. Bina, bina, building, and that's oftenly referred to as an apartment building. Bina evində yaşayıram. Mənzil, mənzil, apartment. Okay, so now we're going to move to how to use these words in sentences and what to use instead of prepositions, because there are no prepositions in Azerbaijani language. So I will give you a short overview and a table of how to use to, in, and from, and then I will explain it in detail. For to, we use the ending a, mektebe, dükkana. For in or at, we use the ending da, de, kafede, restoranda. And for from or out of, we use the ending dan, den, evden, bazardan. Keep watching and I will explain it in detail. I recommend that you watch my vowel harmony before you dive into these endings. I will tag the video up here somewhere, and if I still don't know how to do it, I will put it down in the description. Let's start with to. I am going to the store. So the equivalent of the to in Azerbaijani language is going to be the ending of the dative case, yönlük hal. The ending is A, E, and sometimes you add Y. O dükkana gedir. O dükkana gedir. Mən kitabxanaya gedirəm. Mən kitabxanaya gedirəm. Biz kəndə gedirik. Biz kəndə gedirik. Onlar çimərliyə gedir. Onlar çimərliyə gedir. Notice that the K will turn into Y here. Okay, next one. How to say that I am at the park or I am in school. So for this, we're going to use the endings of the locative case. Yerlik hal, da or də. For example, kafedə, məktəbdə. Mən kafedəyəm. I am at the cafe. Mən məktəbdəyəm. I'm in school. Sən hardasan? Mən evdəyəm. I'm home. And the last one, let's learn how to say from or out of. These are going to be the endings of the ablative case. Çıxışlıq hal, dan, dən. For example, Amerikadan, from America. Amerikadan. One little note is that if your noun ends with N, then the pronunciation sounds a little bit differently. Listen to this. Azerbaycan, Azerbaycandan. So you don't say Azerbaycandan, Azerbaycandan. Hindistan, Hindistandan. Let's practice this one in the comments below. Siz haradansız? Where are you from? Mən Azerbaycandanam. Siz haradansız? Please write in the comments below, where are you from? Siz haradansız? And then you can also use dan or dan to show that you're leaving a place. For example, mən kitabxanadan çıxmışam. Mən kitabxanadan çıxmışam. I just left the library. And literally, it means I got out of the library. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Sağ olun!